We've been partnering with Pima Medical Institute for over 10 years.
I love working with Pima Medical Institute students.
Well, we chose Pima Medical Institute because they demanded that the students meet a certain expectation.
Pima Medical students are the most prepared I have worked with.
They give us students who have had a lot of hands-on learning. Externships give medical practices the best opportunity to interview the applicant.
So I'm currently working at an emergency vet clinic here in Colorado Springs. I started there from my externship.
There's endless possibilities here.
I would say 90% of our staff has gone to Pima Medical Institute.
One of the great things about Pima from my selfish perspective is that it's right here in town. So I know that the people who are here are probably going to stay longer. They're probably going to be long-term employees because this is their home. I can't imagine practicing medicine without these types of relationships.